Hey guys, Me here. I'm going to show you a short video of kind of a, I guess you'd call it a main wire harness relocation. So we picked up the bike and I noticed this thick cable that was, I don't know, appeared to be squished underneath there. You know, the mounting bracket is shaped in such a way that I knew it was supposed to be like that, but it just seemed kind of weird. So I kind of looked into it and realized, you know, there's plenty of length on this main power coming in here from down below. And we chose to put it in this hanger. We just looped it up over this hanger. We took it out from underneath the lower triple clamp and just allowed it to be a little bit more free and less restricted. And it just loops up here in front of the head, steering head. And it's got plenty of room to move. It's not binding, it's not pinned down. So I just think from the front end, it just looks so much cleaner. And I don't know, there's obviously a reason for everything, well, most things. And I just felt like whatever that reasoning was, I couldn't really figure it out after some time of thinking about it and decided just to reroute it. So I don't necessarily recommend it. It's just something I did. So, but I'm just kind of telling you guys some of the little mods and tweaks that I done on the 650. So, all right, well, that concludes that. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.